Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to display the clock on your Android lock screen. First, open your phone's Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen or Display to access those specific settings. Next, you'll want to locate the Always on Display feature, which is key to getting your clock visible. This initial step sets the foundation for customizing your lock screen experience. Once you've found Always on Display, simply toggle the switch to enable it. This activates the feature, allowing your clock to appear. Next, you can dive into customizing its appearance. Choose from various clock styles, like digital or analog, to match your preference. Some devices also let you adjust the clock's brightness or how long it stays visible, giving you full control over its look. Beyond the basic options, many Android devices offer a wider array of clock faces and even widgets to enhance your lock screen. You might find unique designs or even the ability to add useful information alongside your clock. If you're looking for even more personalization, consider exploring third-party applications. These apps often provide extensive customization features, letting you truly make your lock screen clock one of a kind. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Android device's software is fully updated. Sometimes, a simple update can resolve display problems. Also, remember that specific settings can vary slightly between different Android phone models, so explore your device's unique options. Keep in mind that while Always on Display is convenient, it does consume a small amount of battery power, typically less than 1% per hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.